Hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Kwelu Special. And you know, me Mama Kwaba. I'm back with a video to show you how I prepare my potato stir fry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My grandkids just love this dish. First, what I will be doing is just peeling my potatoes, as you see me do here. And after that, I'll wash them very well. Just peel them, fast forward to the last one, and wash them. After that, I'll be cutting my potatoes in equal pieces, as you see me do here. Make sure they are equal so they will get ready all at the same time. Just like that, in tiny blocks. So next you'll see me preparing my chicken. This is chicken breast. I'll add some oil, some paprika, all-purpose season, some garlic powder, and a bit of salt. I'll just mix that together and leave it to marinate for about 20 minutes, just like that. So I'm back with the potatoes, and I'll put some salt on that, just a pinch of salt, not too much, and in medium hot oil I'll just start frying them, just like that. And in the meantime, I'll just set the fire on for my chicken breast, just like that. Oh, I wish you could smell that. It smells delicious already. So to my chicken, I'll add my onions and my garlic, which I forgot to add, but you'll see me add that later on, but you can add them around this point. So that's the garlic going in a minute. And just stir it all together. In the meantime, my potatoes are nice, crunchy, and golden brown. So just set that aside, and then I'll be adding my carrots to the chicken. So when the carrots is a bit softer and crunchy, you can add some mushrooms, which is optional. You don't need to add them if you don't like mushrooms. I'll add some white pepper to that, and some sambal or chili powder, and just mix it, which is also optional. You don't need to add if you don't like it to be too spicy. And then I'll add the rest of my vegetables. I had some bell peppers, and I add them to it. At this point, I add some soy sauce, and then I'll stir that all together. And last, I'll add my potatoes to them and make sure everything is all mixed together. And that's it. It's very easy, very delicious, and very quick. Look at that. It looks very nice, tastes very good, and it smells just delicious. And I have to tell you, my grandkids just love them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nami shiramunyana.